everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is JoJo. If you don't know me yet, I love to do makeup tutorials. Right now I'm going to be adding some serum to my foundation. Foundation I'm using is by NARS in the shade Barcelona. For my concealer, I usually put like a triangle under my eye, but I'm just going to go ahead and spot treat it today. Then using a beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and blend that all out. Then using a darker shade concealer, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face, starting with my nose, then moving on to my eyelids and the top of my forehead, then my jawline and cheeks. Using this mini beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the contour. Now don't worry, it does look a bit harsh right now as I'm blending it out, but I'm going to use some bronzer later to help with that. For bronzer, I'm going to use Hoola by Benefit Cosmetics. We are done with our base, and now we're moving on to the eyes. I'm using the Jackie Aina palette with her collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills. And the first shade that I actually used before I'm using this one, because my camera cut off, is the shade Ginger. And then I'm deepening the look with the shade Edges. Then I'm blending it all out with a fluffy brush. Using Zam, I'm gonna go and place that over the center of my lids. I'm not applying it too high up because I do have hooded eyes, so I'm just creating a more brightening effect, and then I'm going to place that also in the inner corners. What I'm doing here is just adding the shade Edges at the bottom corner of my eye to create that smoky effect. Moving on to the brows, I'm using the Morphe pencil in the shade Chocolate Mousse. This is my fave pencil. It's more affordable than the Anastasia. I'm not saying I don't like Anastasia anymore, I just feel like this is better for my pockets. Grabbing my NYX liquid liner, I'm just gonna add a little wing to the corner of my eyes. Alright, looks like we're almost at the end of our tutorial. I'm starting with the lips with the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. For my lip color, I'm dipping into the Luxe ColourPop Velvet Lipsticks, first in the shade Can You Even, and then on top I'm laying Casual Dress. Let's add some glitter in here using the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby on my nose, cheekbones, nose bridge, chin, and there you have it. This is the final look. Thank you so much for staying till the end, and if you liked me and my content, please like and subscribe. If you want to see more, I have my Instagram links down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!